Welcome to the TechDevil channel. I'm sure you've heard the news. 5G revolution, the need for speed. 5G is here. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's changing how we use our smartphones. Downloads are instant, streaming is seamless, and gaming is on another level. The smartphone industry is in a race to deliver the best 5G experience. Samsung, a leader in mobile technology, throws its hat into the ring with the Galaxy F55 5G. This phone promises a lot blazing fast speeds, a stunning display, and impressive camera capabilities. The demand for 5G phones is higher than ever. Users crave faster internet speeds and smoother online experiences. Samsung aims to deliver on these expectations and more with the Galaxy F55 5G. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is right there on the front lines, ready to take on the challenge. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a mid-range smartphone with high-end aspirations. It boasts an impressive array of features designed to entice users looking for a powerful and affordable device. At its core lies a robust processor, the lifeblood of any smartphone, promising smooth multitasking and efficient performance. One of the standout features of the F55 5G is its display. Samsung is known for its exceptional screen technology, and the F55 5G doesn't disappoint. It sports a large, vibrant display with a high refresh rate, making scrolling through content and watching videos a delight. This, combined with its powerful processor, makes the phone ideal for gaming enthusiasts. Speaking of gaming, the F55 5G is equipped with an advanced cooling system to prevent overheating during extended gaming sessions. The battery life is another area where the F55 5G excels. The F55 5G packs a substantial battery designed to keep you connected throughout the day. Unboxing a new phone is always an exciting experience. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G with its sleek packaging is no exception. Inside the box you'll find the phone itself, nestled securely, along with the essentials, a USB-C charging cable and a SIM ejector tool. Samsung has opted for a minimalist approach, providing just the necessities. Holding the F55 5G, you'll immediately notice its sleek and modern design. The phone feels surprisingly light and comfortable in hand despite its large screen size. The back panel features a subtle gradient finish that catches the light beautifully. The power button and volume rockers are conveniently located on the side of the phone, providing easy access. The fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button, allowing for quick and secure unlocking. On the bottom, you'll find the USB-C port for charging and data transfer, along with a headphone jack. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G makes a strong first impression with its sleek design and premium feel. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G boasts a stunning 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display that truly elevates the viewing experience. Colors are vibrant and punchy, blacks are deep and inky, and the overall clarity is exceptional. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, the F55 5G's display is a treat for the eyes. Samsung has opted for a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling through content and animations incredibly smooth and fluid. This high refresh rate enhances the overall user experience, making interactions feel snappy and responsive. The display is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, providing resistance against scratches and everyday wear and tear. Moving on to the design, the F55 5G sports a sleek and modern aesthetic. The phone features a slim profile and rounded edges, making it comfortable to hold and use with one hand. The back panel features a subtle gradient finish that adds a touch of elegance to the overall look. The F55 5G is available in a range of eye-catching colors to suit your style. Samsung has paid attention to detail, ensuring that the F55 5G looks and feels like a premium device. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G impresses with its stunning display and sleek design. Section 5: Performance and 5G Prowess, the need for speed. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is powered by a robust octa-core processor, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. This powerhouse of a chip can handle everything you throw at it, from everyday tasks like browsing the web and checking emails, to more demanding activities like gaming and video editing. The F55 5G is more than capable of handling multitasking with ease. Switching between multiple apps is a breeze, and you'll experience minimal lag or stutter. The phone also comes equipped with ample RAM, further enhancing its multitasking prowess. As its name suggests, the Galaxy F55 5G is 5G enabled, allowing you to experience the next generation of mobile internet speeds. Download speeds are lightning fast, making downloading large files and streaming high-definition content a seamless experience. Samsung has optimized the F55 5G to take full advantage of 5G networks, ensuring a smooth and future-proof user experience. Section 6. Battery life powering through your day. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G packs a substantial 6,000 mAh battery designed to keep you powered up throughout the day and beyond. Whether you're a heavy user or a casual browser, the F55 5G's battery life won't disappoint. You can comfortably use the phone for hours on end without worrying about running out of juice. Samsung has implemented intelligent battery optimization features that help extend the phone's battery life. These features work behind the scenes to minimize unnecessary battery drain, ensuring that you get the most out of every charge. The F55 5G also supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. With fast charging, you can get hours of use from just a few minutes of charging. The F55 5G's impressive battery life and fast charging capabilities make it an ideal companion for those who lead busy and active lifestyles. Section 7. Camera capabilities, capturing life's moments. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G features a versatile triple camera system that captures stunning photos and videos. The main camera boasts a high-resolution sensor that captures incredible detail and clarity. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments, the F55 5G's camera delivers impressive results. The ultra-wide-angle lens allows you to capture a wider field of view, perfect for fitting more into the frame. The depth sensor adds a professional touch to your portraits, creating a pleasing bokeh effect by blurring the background. Samsung has equipped the F55 5G with a range of camera features and modes to enhance your photography experience. The F55 5G's camera performance is excellent for its price range, delivering sharp, detailed, and vibrant images. Section 8. Software experience, Samsung's One UI. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G runs on Android with Samsung's One UI layered on top. One UI is known for its clean and intuitive design, making it easy to navigate and use. Samsung has made several improvements to One UI, making it even more user-friendly and customizable. One UI offers a range of features and customization options, allowing you to personalize your phone to your liking. You can choose from a variety of themes, wallpapers, and icon packs to create a unique look and feel. One UI also includes features like edge panels, which provide quick access to your favorite apps and contacts. Samsung has included a suite of useful apps and features with the F55 5G. Overall, the software experience on the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is smooth, intuitive, and highly customizable. Section 9. Competitors and comparisons. The mid-range smartphone market is fiercely competitive, with numerous manufacturers vying for consumers' attention. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G faces stiff competition from rivals such as Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Google Pixel. These brands offer compelling alternatives with their own unique strengths and features. Xiaomi, known for its value-for-money offerings, has several devices that compete directly with the F55 5G. OnePlus, another popular brand, focuses on providing a premium user experience with its Oxygen OS software and flagship-level features. Google Pixel phones are renowned for their exceptional camera capabilities and clean Android experience. Each competitor brings its own strengths to the table, making it crucial for consumers to carefully consider their needs and priorities. When comparing the F55 5G to its rivals, it holds its own in terms of features, performance, and overall value. Section 10. Pricing and value. A bang for your buck. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is positioned as a mid-range smartphone, offering a compelling balance of features and affordability. Its price point makes it an attractive option for consumers who are looking for a feature-rich device without breaking the bank. Samsung has priced the F55 5G competitively, making it a strong contender in its segment. When considering the phone's specifications, features, and overall performance, the F55 5G offers excellent value for money. Its impressive battery life, stunning display, and capable cameras justify its price tag. Samsung has managed to pack a lot of value into the F55 5G, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious consumers. It offers a premium experience at a mid-range price, making it an excellent value proposition. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G offers a compelling package of features, performance, and value. Section 11, Final Verdict. The Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a solid mid-range smartphone that checks many boxes. It excels in key areas: a vibrant and smooth display, impressive battery life, and a capable camera system. It's clear Samsung targeted users who want a premium experience without the premium price tag. 5G capability is a huge plus, future-proofing the phone as networks expand. While the processor might not be the absolute latest, it handles demanding tasks and multitasking smoothly. The software experience, powered by Samsung's One UI, is intuitive and customizable, adding to the phone's overall appeal. The F55 5G faces stiff competition in the mid-range arena. Brands like Xiaomi and OnePlus constantly push the boundaries of affordability and performance. Ultimately, the Samsung Galaxy F55 5G is a worthy contender, offering a compelling blend of features, performance, and value. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. Pause 1S. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. Center. The text. Thanks for watching fades in. Bottom center, a large subscribe button with the YouTube bell icon next to it. Top right, a watch next section with a clickable thumbnail of a related video. Bottom right, a like button icon with an animation of it being clicked. Background. Subtle tech-themed graphics with a sleek modern design.